My name is Melissa Davis, and I am with NAWIC Chapter 192 from the Tri-Cities. We put on a week-long camp for high school girls called GRITT, which stands for Girls Rock in the Trades. And we're here this week with them in collaboration with Tri-Tech Skills Center, and our major sponsor for this year is Bechtel National. So what GRITT Camp is a week-long camp after school. It's 3 hours a day for 4 days, and we bring in unions who do hands-on projects with the girls to introduce them to a whole bunch of different trades. The idea is to give them a bunch of variety throughout the week. We have some speakers come in who work in construction trades, and they talk about the jobs that they do. Our great goal is that between the speakers and the hands-on projects, that the girls will see somebody who looks like them, who talks like them, that they can say, hey, that's me. I could do this when I get out of high school. And that's the whole object of GRITT Camp, is to just get them excited about doing something in the construction trades.